Good morning. So my account has been disabled from 1st of February. It's about 16 days and I can't have my chat or messenger or documents or links or picture or anything. I tried to send their email and reports and lots of things but no reply. So I want to open the account or cancel this disable, like to recover the account. I'm not sure how it's going. They said maybe due to violation or not follow the standard of community, but I'm not sure the main reason why. So I'm contacting SR Creative Thoughts to help me about recovering the account. I hope we will succeed about it.
Good morning. The problem I bring to you this morning, my name is Michael Kali, is the issue of locked account, Facebook locked account. My account has been locked since December 13, 2021. The reason is because I logged into my account with another browser, two different browsers at the same time. So Facebook detected it and then locked the account. I wasn't able to use the account since December 13, 2021. So I've been trying to, and all means failed. So that's the issue I'm having now. Locked account Facebook. Please help me unlock it. My Facebook name is Michael Kali. Michael Cali. Michael Kali.
Hello friends, I am from Nepal. My Facebook account has been locked and tried to open my Facebook account. I can't open. Then search in YouTube. Then I found Yasser Creative Tech Tow's video and I will contact him in WhatsApp. Then he will take my ID.
Hello friends, my name is Simran Chitra and I am going to say about my Facebook ID lock. And my Facebook ID was locked on I think 3 week or 4 week it has become, and I saw in YouTube channel all things, but I used that tricks but it didn't work and it didn't open. And I saw SR Creative through YouTube channel and she give me a WhatsApp number and I'm saying my all problem and she start to help me and she start to unlock my Facebook account. Thank you.